Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install MPC-HC on Windows, a lightweight media player. How you can simply download it and install it. Very simple. You have to open any of your favorite browser, then simply come over into the search option and simply search for MPC-HC download, as you can see. So now you can simply come over into the source force. If you click on that, click on the download option. Now you can simply click on the download, click on the folder icon, and as you can see, here is your installer.exe. If you click on it to install it, click on run, click yes for the permission. Now you can simply minimize all of your background tab, click OK, next, check I accept the agreement, next, and click on install. After complete that, you can simply click on launch MPC-HS view. So let them click on finish, click update, and there will be update. So I'm going to remain. So there is update. I'm going to click on remind me later, and here is your media player classic is rightly opened, as you can see. So this is how you can simply download and install MPC-HC in your Windows. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in another videos. Till then, goodbye.